what we believe and what is real are not always the same thing. In a world filled with information, truth isn't just something we hear, it's something we have to examine. And sometimes the most extraordinary truths are the ones people question the most. Orbiting above us at around 400 kilometers is the International Space Station, a structure the size of a football field, moving faster than a bullet around Earth. The ISS is more than a spacecraft. It's a laboratory where humans study life in microgravity, test technologies, and prepare for deeper space exploration. But not everyone accepts this reality. Some people question whether the ISS exists at all, or if what we see is something else entirely. Some people might say, like, astronauts aren't floating at all. They suggest the movements are staged using wires and harnesses. Others suggest the footage is filmed underwater. They point to training pools used by astronauts as evidence. Another idea is that the ISS was never built at all, that its existence is simply presented but not real. Some claim every image and video from space is computer generated, that what we see is advanced digital simulation, and this is not true. And some people say, if something is real, we should be able to verify it personally. And since most people can't go to space, they remain skeptical. These ideas raise questions. And asking questions is not the problem. The real question is, do these claims match the evidence? The ISS is not hidden. It can be tracked by anyone using publicly available tools. At certain times, you can see it with your own eyes, a bright object moving steadily across the night sky. The ISS is not controlled by one nation. It's a collaboration between multiple space agencies across the world. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians contribute to its operation across different countries, languages, and institutions. The ISS streams videos continuously showing Earth, experiments, and daily life in orbit. Astronauts communicate with Earth in real time. Schools, scientists, and even the public can interact with them. Objects in orbit are not floating randomly. They are in constant free fall, moving fast enough to keep missing the Earth. That's why astronauts appear weightless, not because gravity disappears, but because everything is falling together. Underwater environments behave differently. Bubbles rise, movements are slowed, light behaves differently. Creating continuous, real-time, interactive footage at this scale across decades would require a level of coordination that far exceeds what we observe in reality. Questioning is not a weakness, it's a natural part of understanding the world. But there is a difference between asking questions and rejecting answers without examining them. Evidence is not about belief, it's about consistency, verification, and repeatability. The story of the ISS is not just about space, it's about what humans can achieve when knowledge guides us. Truth doesn't ask to be believed, it asks to be explored. And above us, circling the Earth is a reminder that curiosity can take us farther than doubt ever will. If you want to keep exploring the world through reason and evidence, consider subscribing.